golongan yang mulia. A. Yang yang menerima perkara bahagia yang
Satu. Lepas 8B belok kanan 8B1. B, oh masuk mau 8B, lepas itu 8B1 hujung sekali. Oke.
Actually, it's not my drawing.
What are you drawing?
I'm not, it's not my drawing. It's not my drawing. Please shut up.
I'm not talking.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You were.
No.
You were. You were doing it.
You are doing it now.
You were doing it.
You were.
Yes.
You also, ma.
But they were up against the Apollo's high-tuned senses.
Ah, so ugly. BBC Earth. Ah, I don't want to see
active desperation from the
BBC
Apollo
Julie.
flight.
Ini orang dah minta doa dan krokodil bayi putri.
Constant drama play out between
Ali,
places,
oh,
whether it's in the
no, don't see this.
up at high altitude,
No CCTV.
or in the Serengeti, the canines, the dog family, are a complete iconic set of faces. That's all we've got time for. There's 3 new pairs of animals with hair, and we bring our action at least 360 stars.
Boring. Boring. Sisi di piano, chocolate. Makes a fit.
And sync.
Makes a fit. Anson. What?
Using the telephone in school? Confiscated. And of course you must know the way to detention. Blindfolded, Angelo. I'm a little surprised and disappointed in you, Lola. You should know better. Ah! What is that horrible noise?
He was about to announce the winner. We have to call into the radio station to find out if we won. No! That concert is supposed to be tomorrow.
How are we gonna do that? What? Just confiscated my phone.
Top of the morning to you, Miss Perla. Got a rodent problem, I hear? The Schmitzker's on it. Mouse traps. Who's your daddy? Don't forget that slobber autograph in exchange for my help, little man.
Dude, when they're here, you can ask them yourself.
I have the radio station on speed dial. Oh, yes! I did it!
Remember, kiddos, concerts tomorrow during the school day, so make sure your slobber-loving teachers are
Uh-oh.
There's no way we can tell Mr. Foot we won. He hates slobber and won't allow them anywhere near the school.
Tracy, we're doomed. She's gonna spill the beans to Foot for sure.
We need to find a way to make sure school lets out early tomorrow, so slobber can play.
Without the teacher stopping them before they start. Commencing operation in school early. Hold still, Sherwood. Check it. We change the clocks, and the bell rings early. Huh? Charter school day.
Is this even the right school? The reason we chose this school is because the head teacher loves us. So, like, where is it? Double ditto, bro. Oh, man, that was my favourite string, you know?
Okay. Gentlemen,
So, young, lady type dude?
I am Lola, student rep. Something more important, like student body, president.
Outstanding.
Welcome.
Aloha. All right, howdy.
I see you brought your custom-made puka shell inlaid double neck flying V there, Eddie.
I call her. Oh.
That's awesome. So, when the school bell rings, everyone will rush out. Your cue to start playing right away.
What bell play?
Yeah, and don't wait for the teachers to introduce you or anything.
Why not?
Oh, the teachers know you guys are here. Of course. But the students don't. Yeah, it's
Surprise?
yes!
Oh, all right, we can do that, yeah.
World's longest bathroom break.
Sorry,